Hi, this is Mike. This is what's happening inside of a supercell. This is ferrofluid and mouse milk. The ferrofluid is EFH1 and just regular mouse milk. This is pretty low magnification, and right now these long strands are growing in length. They're accumulating. This background, all of this is actually there's ferrofluid, nanoparticles in there. These are huge, and so I'm gonna watch when I move the magnet. And I'm going to pull the magnet away. Try and focus. So these globules are ferrofluid. Those longer particles are some type of ferrous contamination or dust or something, and let's see, try and focus it a little better. They kind of bump around, move around. They're jockeying for magnetic equilibrium. So I'm going to put the magnet back, and you'll see that this nano material back here will just start showing up out of nowhere. Move the magnet, and now there's a field. So the ferroparticles are going to start accumulating. And so they're going to start joining and get longer and longer. It's the beautiful double helix. So I'm going to move the magnet. And if I keep the magnet close, no matter where I move the magnet around the microscope, they'll follow. I'm about 4 or 5 inches away. Hang on, let's see here. Let's see if I can zoom back. So here's the magnet. Probably can't see it. So when you move the magnet around a supercell, these line segments become a diffraction grating. It's really cool.